Have you ever imagined that just 2 lemons and 1 apple could create a warm, homemade drink that's both refreshing and comforting? Stay with me until the end, because this simple recipe is quick to prepare, smells amazing, and may become one of your favorite homemade beverages. First, take 2 fresh lemons. Wash them thoroughly, then slice them into thin, even rounds. Lemon adds a bright citrus, flavor, and a refreshing aroma that makes this drink incredibly enjoyable. Next, take 1 fresh apple. Wash it well and cut it into small slices. There's no need to peel it if it's clean. Apples add a naturally sweet taste that balances the tanginess of the lemon, creating a smooth and delicious flavor. Now place both the lemon slices and apple slices into a frying pan or saucepan. Add enough water to fully cover the fruit. Turn the heat to medium and allow everything to come to a gentle boil. As the mixture simmers, the fresh aroma of lemon and apple begins to fill the kitchen. Let it boil for several minutes so the flavors blend together into a warm, fragrant drink. Once it's ready, turn off the heat and carefully strain the liquid into a clean bowl or pitcher, removing the fruit slices. You'll be left with a smooth, golden-colored drink that looks as good as it smells. Now pour the warm drink into your favorite glass or mug. You can enjoy it as it is, or let it cool slightly if you prefer a milder temperature. This homemade drink is a refreshing way to stay hydrated and enjoy the natural flavor of fruit. Many people like to include drinks like this as part of a balanced lifestyle because they're simple, comforting, and made with everyday ingredients. If you decide to try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to tell me which city you're watching from. I love reading your comments and giving shout-outs in future videos. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, follow, and share it with someone who loves easy homemade drinks. I'll see you in the next recipe.